Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift, and today we're going to do a walk around of this brand new 2021 Heli pneumatic forklift, model number CPYD40-KUH. Now, if you're interested in this truck, do not wait because this one is here and it is ready for immediate delivery. This has an 8,000-pound capacity and it runs on LP. And this truck has a 2-speed automatic transmission. And you can see there that it has 3-way hydraulics. Coming up here to the mast, you'll see that this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 185 inches. And you have your hang-on side shift. This forklift will come with 48-inch standard tapered forks. Now looking here at the tires, you can see that we have black traction, solid pneumatic tires. And let's come up here because I want to show you all these fantastic features. This truck is loaded. Let's start with these headlights. It comes with these ultra bright LED headlights as well as those front-facing work lights that also have your turn signals on them. That's a really great feature to have. Inside of the cabin, you'll see that we have those dual rear view mirrors, and we also have a cup holder over on that other side, and we have a lot of adjustability here within the cabin. I want to show you the adjustability of the steering column. We also have that steering wheel knob up here, and this is a full suspension seat. It is very, very comfortable, and it's also adjustable in terms of forward and backwards and with the incline. You'll also see that this has a high visibility seat belt, and back there on the back you'll see that it has a rear pillar assist with a horn, so that's great for the operator when they're backing up. Back here on the back, I want to show you that up on top we have that magnetic strobe that is movable. And we also have those rear combination lights that have your reverse, your brake, and your turn signal on those. I'll show you that in a second. Now I want to show you my favorite feature here. This LP bracket is a swing down bracket. So what that means is that when it's time to change the tank, you simply lower that, makes it much easier. Definitely a back saver for whoever is changing out your LP tanks. Now I want to show you those lights quickly, so I'll hop on and start it up for you. You can hear that backup alarm. Right turn signal and left turn signal. And let's run the forks. Operation with this truck. Like I said, this truck is here and it is in stock and ready for immediate delivery. So if you're interested in buying, renting, demoing, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on the equipment that we have available as well as other features that you need to know about.